Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Vevor T-shirt printing machine. This T-shirt press is easy to use and works great. Heats up fast. Weight is just right. Just wish the suction feet worked better, but could be the table I have it on. The pressure is easy to control as well. Adhesion so far has been great. The upgraded Vevor heat press machine includes a digital display controller with a dual screen display that is precise and simple to use. The buttons are made of silicone, making them comfortable and effortless to press. Press, +/ to switch C and degree Fahrenheit at will. Our 15x15 heat press uses double tube heating technology, which is superior to traditional single tube heating. With our technology, the temperature difference between the center and the edge is only around 5 C, whereas with old-fashioned heating tubes, the difference can be over 10 C. By using a swing-away arm, the pressure is evenly distributed on the sublimation machine, resulting in better transfer quality. Additionally, this design allows for the heating element to be moved to the side, decreasing the likelihood of accidental contact. This makes it perfect for applying letters, numbers, and patterns on various items like caps, t-shirts, mugs, plates, aluminum pots, etc. Number 2 in this best machine for t-shirt printing list is HT Virant T-shirt press machine. HT Virant Auto Heat Press Machine aims to take away the struggles of a regular heat press. After loading your project onto the shirt press machine, all you have to do is gently push the ironing board inside and press the R button to start. The heat press will automatically press down and auto-adjust to your project's thickness up to 1 inch, and it auto-releases once the timer goes down. If you're looking to level up your heat press game, scale up your production, start your own side hustle and even sell your crafts, the automatic heat press is perfect for you. This T-shirt press machine has multiple practical modes, 4 fast modes, 2 custom modes and an auto mode, which make heat transfers quicker and simpler than ever. You'll be all set to customize clothing, accessories, decor, gifts and so much more, all with a professional quality finish. Super easy to use and no more burned projects when you're away a while. Our heat press 15x15 could reach a common use temp of 320F/160C within 4 minutes, twice faster as regular ones. And you will save nearly 130s when heating up to 410F/210C compared with other auto press. Combined with NTC thermistor technology and a dual tube heating engine, this T-shirt pressing machine distributes heat evenly and holds the temperature well. HT Virant Large Heat Press allows you always have a clean and professional transfer. Safety is one of the biggest concerns with HT Virant Auto Heat Press. Our third choice is Woobify T-shirt printing machine. The sublimation press with 360 rotation provides a full range press evenly, which makes the heat pressing process more efficient and safe, guarantees the quality of finished transfers. This T-shirt press machine comes with 2 heat-resistant silicone pads and is covered by Teflon coated, which is non-sticky and assists in damage prevention on your workpieces, easily to clean and can make printing more steady. Aluminum heat place provides a far evener heat distribution, which makes the pattern transfer effect better. Heat press box LCD displays show the temperature and time, and you can set the precise time and temperature. 2 temperature options for F and C with a digital display, which can accurate to ±1 C, ease of use. Temperature range, 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit 95 to 232 degrees Celsius, timer range, 0 to 999 seconds, voltage, 110 V, power, 900 watts. More accessories, more possibilities of creation. 8-in-1 adds more mug press sizes on the basis of 5-in-1. Woobify 8-in-1 heat press machine comes with hat, mug, 11 ounces, 10 ounces, 12 ounces, 17 ounces, 5 and 6 plate attachments for making your custom mugs, mats or hats, not just t-shirts, great for industrial and home use. Thanks to the use of 4 layers of insulation technology, the surface temperature is only about 50 C, when the working temperature reaches 200 C. but the traditional machine's temperature can reach 70 to 100 C. The commercial-grade steel frame will last forever, and the aluminum platen is durable enough to handle thicker transfers. Aluminum heat place provides a far evener heat distribution. Fourth pick in this best machine for t-shirt printing list is Slender T-shirt pressing machine. This heat press vinyl machine with full range pressure, via adjustment knob, can be adjusted according to the thickness of material. Detachable lower platform, easily exchanged to other elements. Removable silicone pad and cotton pad. Heat press 5-in-1 with bonus 2 Teflon sheets, upguard a press casting aluminum heating plate with Teflon coating, protect your vinyl, clothes while working and harmless to them. The Teflon cover is heat resistance, easy to clean, and can make printing more steady. Also, the surface is not sticky, can prevent burning. Innovative alloy guide for easy conversion between cup, hat and plate hot pressing pad. Non-slip rubber handle, comfortable to handle. Shirt press 12 by 15 inch, full 360-degree rotation and swing away design, allows the heating element to be moved safely aside, reducing the chances of unexpected accidents. Voltage, 110 volts, temperature range, 0 to 482 F, 0 to 250 C, time range, 0 to 999 seconds. Digital control box, can be set temperature according to the demand, degrees Fahrenheit and Celsius alternative, it stops heating when preset temperature is reached. Preset required time, and sound alarm will be issued when time completed. Our fifth and last choice is AKITI T-shirt printing. The heat press machine heating more and can make the printing effect better through the double heating tube design, as the temperature difference between the center and the edges is only 5 degrees, which is better than other designs with a difference of 10 degrees. High quality T-shirt pressing machine make transfer work easier. AKITI heat press machine adopts the latest heating technology. Press casting aluminum heating plate with Teflon coating, harmless to the cloth. 12x 15 inches heat press provides enough surface to create your own custom t-shirt, mug, cap. Special thickened heating plate make the printing more even and better. Swing away heat press with adjustable height and multi-spring pressure knob, can be adjusted according to the thickness of the material, ensures two plates can fit together perfectly. This heat press machine provides a full range press directly and evenly, which guarantees the quality of finished transfers. Our heat press machine for t-shirts, mug, cap, plate. Perfect sublimation press. Applying the Teflon coated to heat platen for the purpose of effectively guaranteeing one-tap transfer, preventing scorching of transfers. When the working temperature reaches 200 degrees, the surface temperature of the machine is only about 50 to 70 degrees, which is safe to use.